Hello everyone, this is Okagawa from R&D Strategy Department in DOCOMO. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to speak at the GTR Online Summit today. First, let me show you the current status of 5G at DOCOMO. So we have started 5G commercial service in March 2020. As of December 2021, about 9 million customers have subscribed to our 5G service. We are also rapidly expanding 5G coverage, and as you can see on the right, we are working with various enterprise partners to create use cases through our 5G Open Partner Program. As of January 2022, more than 4,900 partners have joined this program. With 5G, we are creating a lot of solutions for enterprises. About 600 deals have been closed so far with enterprise customers. The chart on the right shows the breakdown of the solutions chosen by customers, which indicates XR and video-related solutions represent about 70% of the total deals. 5G is rapidly gaining momentum. Next, I'd like to talk about DOCOMO's efforts towards environment. Before going into details, I will briefly explain why we are committed to solving environmental issues and how the mobile industry is related to those issues. So we know mobile phone and digital network services are contributing to reducing environmental impact by enabling remote work and also other eco-friendly options. On the other hand, we consume a large amount of electricity and also emit a large amount of CO2 in the value chain of our business while operating base stations and running DOCOMO shops to provide services. If we look at the Japanese mobile industry as a whole, one smartphone is estimated to emit around 88 kilograms of CO2 per year. If we calculate the total CO2 emissions from 180 million mobile devices in Japan, they are emitting almost the same amount of CO2 as 10 million cars a year. This is why DOCOMO needs to strongly commit to CO2 reductions as a mobile telecom operators. Now, I will show you how DOCOMO will achieve carbon neutrality by 2030. As you can see in the middle of the slide, first, we will conduct drastic power saving. DOCOMO will significantly reduce the power consumption of our facilities by taking advantage of our advanced network technologies. In the situation of a dramatic increase in the network data traffic today, we will drive down the power consumption as much as possible. Second, we will introduce renewable energy. We will procure more renewable energy sources to power our operations. And third, we will utilize ION. ION means innovative optical and wireless network. These technologies, which is a next generation infrastructure, vision, and also technologies originated by NTT Holding Company. In the future, we will be able to achieve tremendous power saving in the next generation network by leveraging ION technology advocated by NTT Group. DOCOMO and NTT Group will work together to develop those technologies. In this way, through various activities, DOCOMO will achieve carbon neutrality by 2030. So far, I have talked about the efforts of DOCOMO as a whole. Now, I will introduce some of the initiatives we are engaged in our DOCOMO R&D. DOCOMO is actively working on the research and development of an energy management system we call EMS as a way to achieve carbon neutrality and resolve disaster and energy issues. The EMS will promote the use of solar panels, fuel cells, batteries, and other energy resources and enable us to conduct optimized energy management, including operation of next generation batteries. In particular, we are now developing green-based transceiver station we call Green BTS as the first attempt. The Green BTS consists of not only the wireless communication equipment, but also solar panels and lithium-ion batteries. This BTS operates using a combination of such renewable energy and high-performance battery and controls them. So it can provide both eco-friendly support in normal times and responsible emergency support during the disaster. So currently, the BTS has been installed in more than 200 locations and producing renewable energy continuously. During the blackout due to the typhoon, and this BTS demonstrated its ability to perform self-sustaining operations with the power generated by its solar panels during the sunny weather after the typhoon. As the next step, we have just started to transfer the technology of Green BTS to some external battery infrastructure installed at evacuation shelters. So currently, we now monitor and control batteries with an aim to provide both environmental and disaster support in 200 facilities centered on the Sendai city in the Tohoku area in Japan, which was damaged by the 2011 Great East Japan earthquake. In particular, we visualize the usage data of batteries in evacuation shelters in various ways. For instance, to show how many hours the battery will last for charging mobile phones, instead of just indicating the remaining battery capacity. So we are also considering some services to reduce electronic power costs by coordinating the installed solar panels and batteries to perform control operations such as power peak cut. Furthermore, as a next research topic, we are considering combining EMS technology with electronic vehicles, EV, which are attracting attention as a mobile power storage infrastructure for the future. First, we want to use them in combination as disaster countermeasures. When a disaster occurs, our operation center will gather battery information and also location information from DOCOMO-owned EVs and swiftly dispatch them to supply power to base stations and other important facilities. In order to realize such best power supply resource operation, we will also analyze other data such as on traffic and road conditions and also blackout areas. In addition, we are now thinking about utilizing EVs as a renewable power source or as a means to respond to power saving requests by connecting EVs to power grids when they are not using during the normal time in the future. Today, I have shared with you the current status of 5G at DOCOMO, and also DOCOMO's effort towards environment and environmental initiative activity at our R&D. As technological developments support the efforts toward protecting the environment, so we will continue our R&D efforts to make your life more comfortable and more eco-friendly. That's all. Thank you very much for your kind attention.